What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon. Today we are going to be talking about the Xtrusion Overland XTR1 bed rack. It's one of the most universal racks on the market. It also has capability to have a full bed cover. We're going to talk about which ones they're compatible to be installed with and a few of the features that this rack offers. That's pretty cool and new to the industry. So let's jump right into it. This is a fully assembled bed rack for a Toyota Tacoma. This is going on our company rig. We will be mounting a rooftop tent to the top. Some of the cool accessories that come along with this bed rack. Base wise, you're gonna the full rack is built out of extruded aluminum bars. These are the 1x2 inch bars that actually have a beefier hardware set with them, making it more of a rugged build. And then from there, they have expanded and given you all the proper angles, feet. All the hardware is grade 8 aluminum. And then on here you have these two off-road support brackets. These come in powder coated black and then have their logo nicely cut into them. These are an add-on in some cases. This bed rack, fully loaded, ready to go, with these brackets are gonna run around $1,000. Then in addition, you can install handles and then these really cool multi panels that they offer that link in, creates more structure. And then from there, they have a lot of options for mounting things to it. Some of our favorites is they have the quick grips, essentially for the shovels. They have bike mounts and a bunch of other mounting solutions. The other thing that I do like about this rack is the way that these vents, mounting spots, kind of push toward the front of the vehicle. Obviously this is going to be the rear for the Tacoma, the front. These slots basically make mounting solutions for anything super easy. Anything is going to fit into here. You won't need to drill additional holes. And it also gives you larger stuff to like bungee things onto the rack. When we first saw this rack, we weren't too sure about how sturdy it would be. I'm super impressed. This rack is extremely sturdy. We've installed a few of these on a few of our customers' rigs. They are very stout. They do hold up. You can also add a secondary crossbar here for different mounting solutions if you're going to do like a water tank, propane tanks, all sorts of stuff. Some of the other accessories that we're going to be using that they offer are these tent mounts. They give you all the hardware included into it. In the kit, how they work essentially is these things are going to button onto the side here, and then this goes up and through so you can pass a bolt through that'll mount the bed rack. And then one thing that we've found is that if you add like a rubber bushing or some sort of like rubber padding here, it avoids like vibration when you're off-roading and whatnot. So yeah, this one's going on our company rig. What we're going to do is we need to make some custom feet for it to fit on our fiberglass fenders. Otherwise, these feet are phenomenal. Oh, the other thing I was gonna go over real quick, bed covers. They're super popular with customers that do want a bed rack, but also want a bed cover to lock their stuff into the bed of the truck. The system that they recommend that works best with these is the retract system. It's one that comes with a lock, and it basically rolls into a roll in the back. It does eat up about 12 inches of space in the uppermost part of your bed, which isn't a big deal in most cases. And they have specific feet that we can get ordered in for you that are extended a little bit longer, that allows for that bed cover to slide in here where it can still be locked and you still have use of a full bed rack. Install wise, I would rate this as a 2 for difficulty, but anywhere between a 5 and an 8 for time. If you like puzzles and whatnot, you'll love this. It's like an adult Lego. If assembly is not your thing, I would have a local shop install it. But very straightforward. It just takes a little bit of time getting all the the cross nuts pass through here, and then getting everything loosely fit, and then snugging everything up. So yeah, what we're gonna do is let's get this installed on our Tacoma. We're gonna add some chase lights in the back, the tint, and a few of our accessories so you can see more of how this rack is so easily used.